Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to Language Learning as you know. This is Sepedi Lessons channel. So today we're going to be continuing with our category of opposite words in Sepedi. So we're going to be looking at the opposite words in Sepedi. So without the waste of time, let's get right into our today's video. So the first set of words we have like and hate. Like means rata. Like means rata. Hate means hloya. Hate means hloya. Like, rata, hate. The next one have loud and quiet. Loud, rasa. Loud, rasa. Quiet, humula. Loud, rasa. Quiet, humula. The next one have modern and ancient. Modern means severely yali. Modern means severely yali. Ancient, khale. Ancient, khale. The next one have plant and harvest. Plant, yala. Plant, yala. Harvest, vuna. Harvest, vuna. Plant, yala. Harvest, vuna. We also have rude and polite. Rude, vugale. Rude, vugale. Polite, vuleta. Polite, vuleta. Vuleta. Rude, vugale. Polite, vuleta. The next one have rural and city. Rural, magaeng. Rural, magaeng. City, toropo. City, toropo. Rural, magaeng. City, toropo. The next one have satisfy and annoy. Satisfy, kgotsofatsa. Satisfy, kgotsofatsa. Annoy, tena. Annoy, tena. Satisfy, kgotsofatsa. Annoy, tena. The next one have ugly and beautiful. Ugly, vefa. Ugly, vefa. Beautiful, votse. Beautiful, votse. Ugly, vefa. The next one have smooth and rough. Smooth, telela. Smooth, telela. Rough, magwagwa. Rough, magwagwa. Smooth, telela. Rough, magwagwa. The next one have work and rest. Work, bereka. Rest, khutša. Work, bereka. Rest, khutša. The next one have hungry and thirsty. Hungry, tlala. Hungry, tlala. Thirsty, lenyora. Thirsty, lenyora. Hungry, tlala. Thirsty, lenyora. The next one have foreigner and citizen. Foreigner is called motswa ntle. Foreigner, motswa ntle. Citizen, modudi. Citizen, modudi. So that's it for our today's video. That's it for our opposite word. If you have any words that you like the opposites in Sepedi, please don't hesitate to drop them on the comment section. For now, don't forget to stay tuned and like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.